Hello everyone. So we're here at the Cardiff Central, which is the train station for Cardiff. Let's just talk to Tumiba, who's moved here recently to the city and studying at Cardiff University. Let's see what her views are about the train station, whether she likes it or not, and has she even used it? If yes, what did she use it for? So let's fire away the questions and see what she has to say.
I really like the train station because I think the building is really pretty to look at. Also, when I'm going to see my sister in Leicester, I take the train. There's an M&S next to the train. They have nice food there. People skate like around, so it's nice to watch people skating, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. And Irnan, what did you notice about the people who are traveling from the central station? Have you noticed anything about them? What do they do? Stuff like that.
Yeah, I noticed that majority of the people using it were those who were from Wales but work in different parts of the country. So it's some like a connector bringing everyone together.
Your thoughts on this, Chris?
Adding to what Ernane just said, Cardiff Central is a nexus point for important events in a person's life. I don't think we see as many heartfelt hugs, kisses and goodbyes as we do in Cardiff Central.